channel. My name is Erica. Today we are going to be unboxing the August 2020 PreCuts Classic Quilt Box. PreCuts Classic Quilt Shop puts out a couple different boxes, so I will put a link in the description box below where you can get this box with more information. They have this one, which is the Classic box, and it includes fabric, patterns, and notions. They also have a fabric only box if you're kind of done getting a bunch of notions and you just want to get to the good stuff. And then I think they still have a table runner box. I'm not 100% sure on that, but you can definitely check that out on their website. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside this month's box. So all of the boxes always come with this little guide inside, and it has information on all of the products that are going to be in here. It also has information on the curators, and I'm really excited because this month's box is put together by Poppy Cotton, and these ladies are so friendly and nice. And if you've seen any of my recent tutorials, you know that I love Poppy Cotton fabric. It's so pretty, so I'm really excited about this month's box. And then they also do a giveaway for one of their boxes every month. So if you share your boxes on social media using the hashtag PreCuts Quilt Shop or PreCuts Quilt Box, you're entered to win next month's box for free. So they do have the winner listed on this as well. So that's always in your boxes, so definitely make sure to check that out. So the first thing in my box, and I actually had to look up how to use this, but this is called an Ideal Seam Guide, and this is a 5-inch guide. It retails for $15, and it's made by So Very Smooth, and it's got a beveled notch in it to work around wide feed dogs and a walking foot. And actually how this works is on the back side, there's this kind of plastic little coating, and it's covering up this sticky side. It's got a little bit of a tacky side on the back. So what you can do is you can take that off, you can place this on your machine where you need whatever stitch allowance or seam allowance that you need on your machine, and then you can just run your fabric along that. It makes it really nice and easy to make sure that you keep your fabric going straight. When you're done, you can remove this from your machine using this little beveled edge right here, and then just hang on to this plastic because you'll want to put that back on the back of it until you use it next time, just to protect that sticky side. So this is a fun little gadget. Now, one thing I'm not sure about is it usually comes with the Ideal Seam Gauge. It seems like it's kind of works together. So the seam gauge, which is not in this box, is actually where you would put it on your machine, lower your presser foot in whatever seam you need it to be at, and then you can kind of line this up next to it and put it on your machine so you know where to put it. So this one, I guess you would have to just kind of look at the markings on your machine and maybe use those so you know where to put it on your machine. But either way, I think you could still use it even without the gauge. The next thing in my box this month is this zipper pull charm by Poppy Cotton, and it looks like there may be some different ones in there, you guys. This one is a cute little kitty, and it's perfect to hang off your keychain, your purse, your tote, and any of those little fun zipper pouches that you make. It retails for $9. And here's a little picture of some of the other ones. It looks like they had a chicken and a mushroom, and I can't tell what that is. Not sure what this blue one is, and then this one looks like a little strawberry. So I don't know, leave me a comment below letting me know if you got the same one I got. I obviously got the kitty over here, but I think the chicken would be also super cute. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you the pattern before we get into the fabric here. So the pattern for this month is called Chicken Love, and this one features Daisy May collection by Poppy Cotton. And again, the pattern is also by Poppy Cotton. It's super cute. It finishes at 67 by 67. I would probably classify this more as an intermediate pattern just because of the number of little pieces in here, but none of the sewing is very hard. It's just a lot of pieces. Usually once you start getting up there in quantity of pieces, they start moving the from easy into intermediate, but there's nothing hard on this quilt at all. I think it's super cute, and now I'm really excited to be able to show you the fabric that goes with this. It's one of my all-time favorite lines. Okay, so the first bit of fabric in here, it looks like it is 5/8 of a yard, and this is from the Daisy May collection by Poppy Cotton. And this is what is going to be used for the binding of the quilt. I'm really glad I got some more of this because I was almost out of this fabric, and so. All right, and then here is the bundle of fabric that came in this box. These are all fat quarters, you guys, so it is a lot of fabric. There's 12 of them. This bundle is a mix of the Daisy May and Gingham Farmhouse by Poppy Cotton fabrics, and it retails for $42. So let's just go through each one of these because they are absolutely adorable. So this is one of my favorites. I use this for bag lining all of the time because it's so cute. Just really sweet little flowers. And then here is the next print. This is really cute. I used this on one of my chicken quilts that I did. A nice little floral here. Here is a nice light pink, low volume. This is great for backgrounds and also just super sweet all on its own. Here's another one of those little floral ones with the light pink background. And then let's move into the darker prints. This is a black, and it's kind of a little bit of a lighter black, almost like, kind of looks navy just based on the print, but I know it's not. I think it is supposed to be black. This one looks a little more navy with some gold flowers on it. Here's some more colorful flowers with a black background. Here's that print again. This one is my all-time favorite print. It's so cute with all the little chickens and strawberries on it. It's adorable. I love it. And then here's a nice kind of light yellow color. And then they've got another one with some flowers on it. So here is all of the fabric that came in this month's box with your 5/8 of a yard right here, plus all the fat quarters that you'll need to make the top of the quilt. As you can see, there is a ton of fabric in this month's box, and that is one of my favorite things about the PreCuts classic quilt boxes is all of the goodies that they put inside. They really, I think, do a great job as far as these subscription boxes go in putting things in there that people are gonna like and that are adding value to your sewing room and not just a bunch of little random knickknacks. But I mean, I think they go out of their way to really pack them full of good stuff. So that's everything that came in this month's box. The value of this month's box is at $95.85. That does include the $8.85 for shipping, and then like I said, they have 2 coupons on here. One is for 25% off your entire order. They also have another coupon for free shipping on orders over $35. So the value of the box plus the coupons is great. So this is everything that came in the box this month. I'm super happy with this month's box. I'm very excited to get some more of this fabric. It's one of my favorites. The pattern is absolutely adorable, and so is this little zipper pull. So I love them. I think they're super cute, and they'll look really cute on one of my bags. The seam guide, I'm not sure how much I'll use, but I do kind of like it, and so I do think I will try it out at least and see how it goes. I kind of tend to eyeball my seams a little bit, so I think maybe this would help me with a little bit more accuracy. So that's everything that came in this month's box. Leave a comment below letting me know what your favorite thing was from this month's box. I'm not sure if I can pick because of course I love the fabric and I always love getting that fabric, but I also really love this pattern and that little charm for the bag too. I think those are just both adorable. So all in all, I think I'm pretty much a happy thumbs up from this month's box. So anyways, that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. That way I know to keep doing them for you. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Airplanes, so many airplanes. And let's look at this pattern because I haven't ever bought one of their patterns. Like I always buy PDF patterns. I don't usually buy ones that have to come in the mail because it takes too long and I'm impatient. Oh, it's in color. So loud. All right, so the patterns are nice. They're in color and looks like it's a relatively easy project. Okay, airplanes. Probably classify this as maybe an intermediate pattern. Is that right side up? Nope. Oh, so loud. Is there more? I definitely, so I do okay. So that is what, so that's everything that came in this month's box. Leave a comment in the description. Make sure to leave a comment. Just making sure Jax isn't gonna attack me from below the desk. He's down there.